How to set up proxy in BitBrowser with Proxy302. First, let's open www.proxy302.com and log in Proxy302. Then select and create a proxy. For example, we choose a static IP charged by traffic. We search US in country. Then click the button generated. By the way, Proxy302 supports HTTP and SOCKS 5 protocol. Click the blue button next to the proxy information to check detail of proxy. This window can quickly copy proxy information. And now, let's start the BitBrowser browser. First, click the browser profiles, then click Add button to create a new setting. After customizing the browser name, scrolling down and selecting the corresponding proxy type, HTTP or SOCKS 5. Paste the proxy information copied from Proxy302. We click the check proxy as recheck and click confirm to save with correct. Now, click open to start the proxy. Wait for a minute, then create a new tab and turn to this website to test. Detection result is consistent with Proxy302. Proxy connection is successful. Thank you for watching.